Leva mountain is one of the hills on which is located maybe 15 walking minutes from the historical center of Lviv city. Near this hill there is a small park, and you can climb up even with children. There are such stairs, but I don't recommend to climb after the rain, because it can be a little bit sleepy, more dangerous. But in such dry weather, dry kind of weather, you are welcome. The height of the hill is 389 meters, and during the history there was some place to dig up sand from this hill, so from the time the total height of the hill has become a little bit less. But only after protest of historic people, they stopped excavation of sand. On the top of the hill there is a cross, and from this place you can make some really excellent photos to the center of the Lviv city and surrounding area. Due to its location and history, Mount Leva is one of the most famous hills of Lviv.